In a groundbreaking initiative, UyyamballiBlock in RamanagaraDistrict becomes the testing ground for an innovative drone-based LandResurvey. The last comprehensive survey dates back to 1920, and the success of this pilot project could pave the way for the statewide resurvey. Revenue Minister Krishna Bairegowda envisions a revolutionary transformation of survey records, resolution of disputes, and the creation of tamper-proof advanced DigitalLandSketches. The ambitious pilot is stated for completion within the next 2 months, heralding a potential leap forward in land management practices.